So, we build a castle high as high with flags that flutter in the sky. And let the sea fill up the moat, then play a pun with a little boat. Up above a bluebird sings while we pretend we're knights and kin. Being very strong and brave, we go exploring in a cave. Oh, going to the cave. Are you not gonna scared in the cave? We met Dragon Red and Gold, who tells us magic tales of old.
What's the dragon's name?
They don't tell. Then stretches both her wings out wide and takes us on a night ride. We fly across the starlit sky until it's time to say goodbye. Then she brings us down to land gently on the golden sand. Now that the children fall asleep, the dragon curve up at their feet and climb aboard my boat once more and drift out slowly from the shore. Starfish swimming in the sea, mermaids singing just for me. I listen to their lullaby while flying fish dance in the sky. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. This is a song. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight, isn't it? I follow you across the night through my dreams till morning light. Yeah, that's the song. Star bright, starlight, mermaid singing just first star I see tonight. I follow you across the night to my dreams. Night night. Did you like it? See, night night. The story is finished. Good night.